Bang bang guapo gang, back with another video, man. In case you guys couldn't tell, not my normal filming place. That's because I'm currently in Santa Fe, New Mexico, living here for 2 months. I'll explain that in another video. Let's get into why a high protein diet is the best diet. Number one is a high protein diet reduces ghrelin. Ghrelin is the hormone in your body that makes you feel hungry, and studies show that protein reduces ghrelin. So therefore, your appetite's going to go down. You're not going to feel as hungry, and the cravings are going to decrease later in the day. So especially if you have a big appetite or late night cravings, high protein diet is for you. Number two, very obvious, protein is the building block for muscle. So high protein helps build muscle and strength. Very simple, very obvious. Number three is the thermic effect of protein. So the thermic effect, in simple terms, is how many calories your body uses to break down its nutrients. Basically, how many calories your body burns to digest food. Carbs and fats take up 5 to 15% of the thermic rate, while protein is 20 to 30%. So overall, you're going to be burning 100 to 200, sometimes even up to 300 calories more per day eating more protein. So over time, that adds up a lot. Just 100 extra calories every single day will add up over time. Your calories out are going to go up because your body's going to burn more calories digesting the protein. And some other things that were mentioned is it may help bone density. There was a study. Now, I feel like this needs to be studied more, but because causation does not always equal correlation. But just a fun fact, there was a study that showed that men and women with high protein diets had reduced fractures and broken bones when they were older, more bone density. Now, obviously, this could be a causation correlation case, just because they might have been on a high protein diet because they were more fit to begin with. So, just putting that out there, it was an interesting study, and that's the main benefits of a high protein diet, and that's why I will always recommend a high protein diet. But I'm just a firm believer in a well balanced high protein diet. Get your carbs and fats in, but keep the protein really up there. Eat your fruits and veggies. Eat 4 to 6 meals a day to maximize muscle protein synthesis. That's all for today's video. If you enjoyed it, got something out of it, I would really appreciate it. If you leave a thumbs up, leave a comment, go check out some of my other videos. And that's all for today's video. Bang, bang, guapo, out.